Restore a VMDK data. How to retrieve files from VMDK if the specified virtual disk needs repair. Do you experience the situation like 1. The host fails and the VM does not start up later? 2. After the host has been forced to shut down, the VM does not start. 3. You got an error. Cannot open the disk or one of the snapshots disks it depends on. 4. You got an error. There was a problem while trying to mount a virtual disk. Here is all you need to restore a VMDK file. Case 1. How to restore a VMDK file. Descriptor 1. Create a new VM in a vSphere environment. 2. Add a new disk to the newly created virtual machine. 3. Be sure to specify the use of the existing flat DK. That's it. VMDK descriptor file will be recreated automatically. Case 2. How to extract a flat MDK file. Step 1. Download and install for free disk internals. VMFS recovery trademark at diskinternals.com/VMFS-recovery/. Choose a method to open the VMFS disk. Connect the VMFS disk to another Windows computer. Boot Windows with exe from an external drive. Create a network connection using SSH. Access data storage from a Windows virtual machine running VMFS recovery trademark in the same SXXE. Step 2. Scan the VMFS disk and wait for the search results. Step 3. Locate the correct VMDK file and mount this file as a disk image. Step 4. Select recovery mode, reader, uneraser, or recovery. Step 5. Browse recovered files. Right-click on any of them and select Preview a new window. Step 6. Get a license for VMFS recovery trademark and export all your files to a safe place. Case 3. How to restore a VMDK file from backup. Use disk internals, VMFS recovery, and select recovery options for all selected items. For faster recovery, use the proxy in the host where the target virtual machine exists. There is an option to convert a virtual disk to VHDX or VHD format. Converted disk can be attached to an existing virtual machine. More details at www.diskinternals.com.